Fred Williams, Excel Prime, dealing with more nightmare situations within Excel's 365. What am I talking about? I just cleaned this thing up, but when I started this tutorial, it read no hyphen across this entire list. What I did was I entered this particular formula bar, and I copied it down. And that way it works. Otherwise, you're going to get no hyphen. In other words, it's not reading. And even though you hit F9, it still doesn't update. Cleaning it up, massaging it will make it work. In regards to what we're trying to accomplish, show all text after the first hyphen in a new list. Notice the difference here. We did not include the instant num. It automatically defaults to 1. What am I talking about? Inside here, we have this text after B5, which is our text, and then our delimiter, which is hyphen. We're just grabbing everything after the first hyphen. And in this particular example, there are no spaces, but you can see how kooky it gets. In this example, we have a hyphen. We have some odd looking structure here, but this is on purpose. We have a comma, hyphen, comma, and CFO. And we're asking, show everything after the first hyphen, and it shows the comma, CFO. Purely for tutorial purposes only. But you kind of get the drift here. You can see we can manipulate this thing. If we have 3 hyphens and we want to capture everything after the third hyphen, we would put a comma here and then a 3. Actually, we would probably put a comma, comma, and then a 3. Familiarize yourself, work with the different arguments, incorporating them into whatever output you're looking for. Over here, short narrative. Here's a very blank looking anatomy, and I incorporate the if error. Otherwise, if you're happy with the NA error, then leave it as is without the if error. And then the no hyphen, don't remember, you can put whatever word you want in here. I just put no hyphen. You can leave it as blank. Fred Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for watching.